Welcome back to AI Explained. Today we're going to dive deep into a real game changer in AI.
Oh, yeah. Llama.
It's not just another AI model.
Right.
It's a phenomenon.
Yeah.
I mean, Meta's open source approach with Llama has really shaken things up in the AI world.
For sure.
We're seeing unprecedented adoption rates,
Right.
over 650 million downloads,
Wow.
doubling in just 3 months. And that's with it only launching in February last year.
So that's like, what, 1 million downloads a day?
Basically.
That's wild. Why do you think it's been so successful?
Well, it's the open source nature
Okay.
that's really key here.
Mm.
Unlike closed models where,
Yeah.
the inner workings are a closely guarded secret,
Mm.
Llama allows developers to actually get under the hood,
Okay.
modify it, and really push the boundary.
So it's like giving developers the keys to the kingdom and
Yeah.
saying, here, go build your own AI solutions
Yes.
tailored to your specific needs.
Exactly. Instead of being limited to like a
Yeah.
prepackaged AI,
Yeah.
they can adapt Llama to fit any situation.
Gotcha.
And this has huge implications for innovation across the board,
Right. Right.
and everything from healthcare to finance to entertainment.
It's interesting you say that because, I was reading that Llama's impact is being felt globally,
Oh, absolutely.
not just in, Silicon Valley.
Yeah.
We're seeing downloads surge in Latin America,
Mhm.
Asia Pacific, and Europe.
It's truly a worldwide phenomenon.
Yeah, making it a worldwide phenomenon.
Yeah. And that global reach speaks to another crucial aspect, democratization of AI.
Oh, interesting.
With Llama, powerful AI technology is no longer confined to
Right.
a few large companies.
Okay.
Smaller businesses, research institutions, even individual developers can harness its capabilities.
So it's kind of leveling the playing field and fostering a whole new era of AI accessibility.
Yes.
It's pretty inspiring to think about all the different problems
Yeah.
that people around the world can now tackle
Yeah.
with this technology.
Yeah, for sure. But let's get down to brass tacks.
Okay.
How is Llama actually being used
Yeah.
in the real world?
We're seeing some really fascinating use cases emerging.
Okay.
For instance, IBM is integrating Llama into their Watsons.ai model catalog.
Yeah.
This means organizations like local governments, telecom companies,
Wow.
and even sports teams can now leverage the power of Llama for things like data analysis and decision-making.
That's really cool.
There's even a professional soccer team using it for talent scouting.
Wait, a soccer team?
Yeah.
How does that even work?
They're using Llama to analyze player performance data, scouting reports, and even social media trends to identify promising young players.
Wow.
It's a great example of how this technology can be applied in creative and unexpected ways.
That's really amazing. Are there any other examples that stand out to you?
Absolutely.
Oh.
Block, the company behind Cash App, is
Yeah.
using Llama to improve their customer support systems. Because it's open source, they can customize it to meet their specific needs while ensuring the privacy and security of customer data.
So they're getting the benefits of a cutting-edge AI
Yeah,
without having to compromise on user privacy.
exactly.
That's great.
It's a win-win.
Yeah, for sure. What about larger scale applications?
We're seeing those as well. Accenture, a global consulting firm, has used Llama to build a chatbot for a major intergovernmental organization.
Wow.
This chatbot is designed to handle a high volume of public inquiries and provide accurate and efficient support.
So that shows the potential of Llama for public-facing applications that can impact millions of people.
Exactly.
It's moving beyond, behind-the-scenes tasks and becoming a more visible part of our digital interactions.
Yeah.
It's really interesting. What other companies are kind of jumping on this Llama bandwagon?
Well, Spotify is using Llama to power their contextualized music recommendations and personalized narratives from their AI DJs.
I love those features.
Yeah, they're great.
It's like having a friend who knows your music tastes inside and out,
Right.
curating the perfect soundtrack for your day.
Exactly. Llama is helping enhance those user experiences in ways we couldn't have imagined just a few years ago.
And what's really interesting to me is that companies like LinkedIn
Yeah.
have found Llama to be as effective, if not more so,
Yeah.
than some of those expensive commercial AI models out there.
Right, and much cheaper.
So not only is it a powerful tool,
Uh-huh.
but it's also cost-effective.
Yeah.
No wonder we're seeing this trend of enterprise users moving towards open models like this.
Yeah,
It's just smart business.
it is. And this trend isn't limited to the private sector.
Oh, really?
Governments around the world are also recognizing the potential of Llama.
Interesting. So we're seeing like the U.S. government exploring its capabilities for data processing.
Mm-hmm.
India utilizing it to enhance learning outcomes.
Yeah.
And even Argentina developing a llama-powered WhatsApp chatbot
Right.
to provide public services to its citizens.
It's clear that governments see Llama as a key driver
Yeah.
for improving efficiency and service delivery,
Right.
with the potential to transform how we interact with our governments.
That's wild. But the story of Llama
Yeah.
doesn't end there.
It does not.
Meta has an even grander vision
Oh, yeah.
for its future,
Mm-hmm.
and it involves a major shift in how we experience AI.
Okay.
Here's where things get really interesting.
All right, let's hear it.
I'm excited about this.
Yeah, me too. They see a future where AI moves beyond text-based interactions and becomes more voice-driven, powered by increasingly natural and conversational speech models.
So instead of like typing commands or queries, we'll be talking to our devices and AI assistants just like we talk to another person.
Precisely. Imagine a world where you can control your smart home,
Oh, wow.
get personalized news updates, or even have complex conversations with AI systems using just your voice.
That sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie.
Yeah. It does, doesn't it? But Meta is actively working to make that vision a reality.
Wow.
They're investing heavily in research and development of these conversational speech models,
Okay.
focusing on creating AI systems that can understand nuances of human language, respond in natural and engaging ways, and even adapt to different communication styles.
So it's really about making the interaction feel more human
Exactly.
and less robotic.
Yes. It's fascinating to think about the potential implications.
Yeah, for example, could this make technology more accessible to people who struggle with traditional interfaces?
Absolutely.
Like keyboards or touchscreens?
That's a great point. Voice-based AI could be a game changer for accessibility.
Oh, wow.
Allowing people with disabilities to interact with technology in ways that were previously impossible.
That's right.
And for everyone else, it could simply make using technology more intuitive and enjoyable.
Yeah, for sure. What about the visual side of AI? I know Meta has been working on some innovative projects in that area as well.
You're probably thinking of Meta Movie Gen, right?
Yes.
It's a set of research models designed to generate and edit videos using AI.
Yeah, I read about that. AI making videos.
I know.
It's mind-blowing. What are the possibilities there?
The possibilities are practically limitless. Imagine being able to create a short film simply by describing the plot and characters to an AI, or editing a video with just a few voice commands.
But that could revolutionize the way we create and consume content.
Absolutely.
Think about the impact on filmmaking, education, even social media.
Exactly. It's democratizing the creative process, giving anyone with an idea the ability to bring it to life visually.
It's amazing. And it ties into another exciting concept that Meta is exploring: agentic AI systems.
Oh, yeah.
Agentic AI systems.
Yeah.
What are those? They're AI systems with advanced reasoning capabilities that go beyond simply following instructions. These agents can understand context, make decisions, and even take actions on your behalf.
So they're like digital butlers helping us manage our tasks.
Yeah, and navigate the digital world.
That's a good analogy. Imagine a business agent that could interact with customers, provide support, and even handle transactions. Or on a personal level, an AI assistant that could schedule appointments, manage your finances, and even order groceries based on your preferences.
It sounds like AI is moving from being a tool we use to a partner we collaborate with.
That's a great way to put it. And Meta is actively testing these concepts, both for businesses and individuals.
Interesting.
They envision a future where AI becomes an integral part of our daily lives, anticipating our needs and helping us achieve our goals.
That's an incredibly exciting prospect, but it also raises some important questions.
Sure.
For example, how do we ensure that these AI agents are used ethically and responsibly? How do we maintain control over systems that are becoming increasingly autonomous?
Those are crucial considerations, and they're at the forefront of discussions about the future of AI. As with any powerful technology, we need to be mindful of the potential risks as well as the benefits.
Yeah, for sure.
Meta has been vocal about their commitment to responsible AI development, emphasizing transparency, fairness, and accountability.
It sounds like there's a real awareness within the industry.
Oh, definitely.
The need to develop AI in a way that aligns with human values.
Absolutely.
It's nice to hear that.
Yeah.
Let's bring it back to Llama specifically.
Okay.
What's next for this groundbreaking technology?
Well, hold on to your hats, because Meta has some big plans in store.
Really?
They've announced the upcoming release of Llama 4.
Okay.
And it's going to be packed with significant advancements across various AI capabilities.
Ooh, I'm intrigued. Give us a sneak peek. What kind of advancements can we expect?
They're focusing heavily on enhancing speech and reasoning capabilities,
Okay.
which will pave the way for even more natural and helpful AI interactions.
Gotcha.
Think of it as taking those conversational speech models we discussed earlier
Right.
to a whole new level.
Yep. That's exciting. But what about those agentic AI systems?
Yeah.
Those play a role in Llama 4 as well.
Absolutely. Llama 4's advancements are directly tied to Meta's vision for agentic AI.
So we can expect even more sophisticated AI agents that can learn, adapt, and help us achieve our goals in ways we haven't even begun to imagine.
That's the idea. With Llama 4, we're moving closer to a future where AI isn't just a tool, but a true partner helping us navigate the complexities of the digital world.
It sounds like we're on the cusp of a major shift in how we interact with technology.
Yeah.
It's not just about using AI.
Right.
It's about AI becoming an integrated part of our lives.
Precisely. And Llama's open source nature is crucial here. By making this technology accessible to everyone, Meta is fostering a global community of innovators who are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible.
Yeah, and it's exciting to think about all the different ways Llama could be used to solve problems, improve lives, and create new possibilities.
We're already seeing its impact in fields like healthcare, education, finance, and entertainment. And as the technology continues to evolve, those applications will only become more diverse and transformative.
What do you think are some of the most promising areas where Llama could make a real difference in the years to come?
I think we'll see significant advancements in personalized medicine with AI helping doctors diagnose and treat diseases more effectively.
Okay.
We'll also see AI playing a larger role in education, creating personalized learning experiences that cater to each student's individual needs. And of course, AI will continue to revolutionize the way we work, automating tasks, increasing efficiency, and allowing us to focus on more creative and strategic endeavors.
It sounds like AI has the potential to touch every aspect of our lives.
It does.
Yeah.
And the key is to approach this technology thoughtfully and responsibly, ensuring that it's used to benefit humanity as a whole. That's why Meta's commitment to open source development and ethical AI principles is so important.
It's reassuring to know that there are companies out there who are prioritizing those values. It gives me hope for the future of AI.
Me too. It's an exciting time to be involved in this field. The possibilities are truly endless.
I think it's safe to say that we've only just begun to scratch the surface of what AI can do. And with technologies like Llama leading the way, the future looks incredibly bright.
I completely agree. It's going to be an amazing journey.
Well, this has been an incredible deep dive into the world of Llama. Thank you so much for sharing your insights and expertise.
It's been my pleasure.
And to all our listeners out there, we encourage you to stay curious, keep exploring, and be a part of shaping the future of AI.
Absolutely. The future is in our hands.
Thank you for listening to AI Explained. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence.